Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're looking at two of the options on Insta360 for small handheld tripod selfie sticks kind of ordeal. First, we have the mini 2-in-1 tripod 2.0, which is right here, which does have the ability to extend these legs and kick out for a tripod. They both have that, by the way, when we get into this. This one has something different. This is actually a SD card holder, not a trigger for your camera, but it has magnetic. But this is a extendable selfie stick. So it extends out like an antenna. It also comes with a screw and then a quarter screw to like a GoPro and an anti-slip ring and then the strap there. So that's that. If you're looking online, the other option you can look at is the mini power handle. It comes with your USB-C cord, and this would go into your camera. Comes with a strap here. It also has a quarter screw on the bottom. This one does not. Extends feet out, and we have a tripod. This one does not extend out because it is a power handle and a shutter button. This will control your camera right here. Once you plug it in, you have control of your camera starting recording, stopping recording. Up here is your quarter screw. And look at this little trick. Boom. It's like a switchblade. You ready? Boom. There's your light indicator right here. It's fully charged right now. So you can charge on the go. It's small, it's mini, you can just charge. You can charge your phone or whatever else you want to charge to while you have it in your bag. Always good to have a power bank, but it's a built-in 4900 amp battery right there in front of me. Compatible with the Ace Pro 2 and the Go Ultra. That's compatibility regarding the stopping and starting recording on the back. You have little pictures on the back here. Comes with the tripod, the cable, the GoPro adapter, the screw, another screw, and the lanyard. And it looks great with the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 in white. So it looks really good.